Hello world. Welcome to JC's channel, a place where we think differently, live simply, create passionately, and strive for excellence. This is a space where we embrace out-of-the-box thinking, fuel our drives with motivation, seek simplicity in the complexities of life, and ignite creativity. We also believe in the power of efficiency and the pursuit of effectiveness in all we do. Whether it's about life, work, or play, we're here to explore it all together. These are the pillars of our channel. Here, we encourage thinking outside the box. We challenge norms, question the status quo, and explore new ideas. Innovation is not just about invention, it's about reinventing, reimagining. It's about seeing the world in a different light, about finding solutions to problems that haven't even been identified yet. It's about personal growth, professional development, and making a difference in the world. So let's break free from the confines of conventional thought. We challenge you to think beyond the ordinary. We believe in the power of motivation. We share stories, tips, and to inspire you to reach your full potential. Motivation is the driving force that fuels our journey towards success. It's the spark that lights the path of personal fulfillment. It's not just about achieving goals, it's about cultivating a mindset that embraces growth and perseverance. Remember, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Let's harness the power of motivation to unlock our infinite potential. Inspiration is just a story away. Simplicity is our mantra. We explore ways to declutter, to focus on what truly matters, and to live a life of simplicity and mindfulness. Imagine a life unburdened by excess, a life that allows you to breathe, to grow, to be present. The beauty of minimalism lies in its power to clear the clutter, both physical and mental. It's about making room for what truly matters. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is about fully engaging with the present moment. Less is more, and mindfulness is the key. Creativity fuels us. We delve into the arts, innovation, and all things creative, igniting that spark of creativity in you. Creativity isn't just about artistry or originality, it's a vital component of problem-solving, innovation, and self-expression. It's about seeing the world through a different lens, finding unique solutions to challenges, and bringing fresh perspectives to the table. Now, innovation, on the other hand, is the practical application of creativity. It's the process of turning a creative idea into a valuable solution. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging the norm, and creating something new and impactful. And here's the thing, creativity and innovation are not limited to a select few. They're inherent in all of us, waiting to be tapped into. So whether you're an artist, an entrepreneur, a student, or simply someone with a curious mind, there's a creative and innovative spirit within you. Unleash your inner artist and let's innovate. Efficiency is key. We share hacks, tools, and methods to help you work smarter, not harder. In our pursuit of productivity, we often find ourselves tangled in a web of tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities. The trick is not to work more, but to work effectively. Consider this. You've got 24 hours in a day, just like everyone else. But how you use those hours determines your efficiency. With the right strategies, you can accomplish more in less time, freeing up space to enjoy life beyond your to-do list. From time management techniques like the Pomodoro method to digital tools that streamline your workflow, we explore various ways to boost your efficiency. We dive into the art of delegation, the science of prioritizing, and the magic of setting realistic goals. But remember, efficiency isn't just about getting things done, it's about getting the right things done. That's where effectiveness comes in. It's the bridge between busy work and meaningful work. Work smarter, not harder, and make a real impact. So, if you're ready to think differently, to be inspired, to simplify your life, to ignite your creativity, and to work efficiently and effectively, you're in the right place. This is the essence of what we stand for here at JC's channel. We're all about out-of-the-box thinking, encouraging motivation, embracing simplicity, fueling creativity, and promoting efficiency and effectiveness. We throw open the doors to a world where thinking differently is the norm, where inspiration is a daily occurrence, where simplicity brings clarity, where creativity is the spark that lights up the darkness, and where working smart, not hard, is a guiding principle. And we want you to be a part of this journey. We invite you to join our community to be a part of this incredible endeavor of thought and creativity. So, come along, subscribe, stay connected, and get ready to be amazed by what we have in store. Join us on this exciting journey. Subscribe and stay tuned for amazing content. Welcome to our community.